Are you dealing with an old hot water tank? From warm showers to doing the dishes, your hot water tank works quietly in the background. But when it's time to replace it, knowing what to expect can make the process a lot smoother. How to tell when it's time to replace it. If your tank is 8 to 10 years old, it might be nearing the end of its lifespan. If you're getting lukewarm water, low water pressure, or inconsistent heating, that's a sign something's wrong. Look out for rust on the tank, puddles nearby, or corrosion around fittings. These are warning signs. Popping or rumbling noises could mean sediment buildup inside the tank, which wears it out faster. The right kind of tank. A qualified contractor will guide you to the right size and type for your household's needs. Keep in mind that high-efficiency models with Energy Star ratings consume less energy and cost less to run. Easy maintenance tips for after installation. 1. Drain and flush your tank once a year to remove sediment. 2. Test the pressure relief valve regularly. 3. Keep the temperature hot enough to stay safe and save energy. Are you ready for a new hot water tank right now? Call us today for your free consultation, 604-409-8626, or visit hotwatertankreplacementabbotsford.ca.